Welcome children. In last class, accounts from unit 1, accounts from incompleted records. In last class we seen the meaning, introduction, features of incompleted records, limitation of incompleted records, then difference between double entry system and incompleted records, accounts from incompleted records. So these are all the things we learn. So on that we have to learn even statement of affair also. So this is a format. So I already told you have to write the format on double side of your ledger note. So this is a profit and loss, statement of profit or loss. So now I am going to explain one illustration problem, how to find out profit or loss through incompleted records. So this is a illustration 1, page number 6 on your book, illustration 1. So in this illustration, all the information they are given. See that in illustration, capital at the beginning, capital at the end, additional capital introduced during the year, drawing during the year. So all these things they are given in your sum. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. So you are going to ascertain the profit or loss from the following information. So we have the opening capital 2 lakh, closing capital 3,50,000, even additional capital introduced during the year 70,000, drawings during the year 40,000. So all the information available in this illustration. So solution. So first, so you have to open a statement of profit like this only. So you have to open on your ledger note, a single side you have to open this format. So you have to write the particular on a particular column. You have to write closing capital first, 3,50,000, add drawing during the year. From closing capital you have to add a drawing, so you have to get this amount. So 3,50,000 add 40,000, you are getting a 3,90,000. So after getting a 3,90,000, you have to minus the additional capital introduced during the year. So additional capital also they are given on your sum. So it is a 70,000. So we have to minus 3,90,000 minus 70,000. You are getting a 3,20,000. So this is called a adjusting closing capital. This is called a adjusting closing capital. So after find out the adjusting closing capital, from the adjusting closing capital you are going to minus a opening capital. So how much they are given in your sum? Opening capital is 2 lakh. So 3,20,000 minus 2 lakh, you are getting a 1,20,000. So this is what we have to find out the profit. This is an amount of profit. So first, so once again I just explained the problem. First, closing capital 3,50,000. From the 3,50,000 you have to add a drawing during the year 40,000. So you have to add 3,50,000 plus 40, you are getting a 3,90,000. From that you have to minus the additional capital introduced during the year 70,000. 3,90,000 minus 70, you are getting a 3,20,000. From 3,20,000, that means that is called a adjusted closing capital. From adjusting closing capital you have to minus opening capital. So you are getting a profit 1,20,000. This is a profit. So 1,20,000 is a profit. Likewise you have to find out the profit or loss through the statement of profit. This is an illustration problem. Now I am going to explain one book problem also. Problem number 1. So problem number 1. Page number 31. Problem number 1, page number 31. Exercise problem number 1. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. They are given a particulars here. Capital at the beginning of the year 5 lakhs they are given. Capital at the end of the year 8,50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year is 1,20,000. Drawing during the year is 70,000. So all the information they are given in your exercise problem. So you have to open a statement of profit to find out the profit made during the year. So you have to open a statement of profit on the single side. So you have to write statement of profit or loss for the year end 31st March 2019. So you have to open a single side. You have to write a particulars and amount column. You have to put the sign. Then closing capital. So closing capital, they see capital at the end of the year 31st March 2019 8,50,000 they are given in your exercise. So you have to put that closing capital first. From the closing capital you have to add a drawing. How much they are given in your problem? 70,000. So 8,50,000 plus 70,000 you are getting 9,20,000. From 9,20,000 you have to minus the additional capital introduced during the year. So this is also they are given in your problem 1,20,000. So you have to put a 1,20,000. From 9,20,000 you have to minus a 1,20,000 you are getting a 8 lakh. So this is called a adjusting closing capital. So closing capital add drawing minus additional capital you are getting a adjusted closing capital. Once again I just repeat that closing capital add drawing minus additional capital you are getting a adjusted closing capital. After getting a adjusting closing capital you have to minus the opening capital. So opening capital also they are given in your problem 5 lakhs. So you have to put the opening capital here. You have to minus adjusted closing capital from opening capital. So you have to minus 8 lakh minus 5 lakh you are getting a profit 3 lakhs. So if it is so this is a positive nature, so you are getting a profit. If it is a negative nature we are getting a loss. For example, adjusted closing capital is more than opening capital means adjusting closing capital is more than opening capital, then it is a profit. If it is a less than opening capital, then we are getting a loss. So likewise we have to prepare. So you to prepare a one illustration problem and one exercise problem. So you have to work out problem number 2, page number 32. So in page number 32 you have one exercise problems there. So you have to work out that problem, then only you have to understand how to prepare a statement of profit. So don't forget to work out the problem. You must work out problem number 2, page number 32. So next problem we will see in the next video I explain next problem. Thank you children.